perfect layer. Video I'm going to make mango float, which is a famous Filipino dessert, which is using mango. I buy mango, ripe mango from the Walmart. Graham crackers, and of course we need aluminum tray or combine the cream, mango condense. Let's get started. Three or so guys, mix natin yung ating cream, which is yung mango condense with cream. Okay. After mixing is done, there you go. It's creamy. Look at that. So we just cut the main thin slice to make it perfect layer. So now first layer, gonna make the cream into the bottom of the pan. So that's the first layer. Spread it all over equally. Remove or we unpack. So make sure your graham is not broken. So put it here, first layer. So this is the process for our mango float. First layer is cream, and then the second one is the graham cracker. Just make it sure your graham crackers or the cream is evenly, and you got a perfect new baked creamy graham mango dessert. So let's continue. Well, it depends on you how many layer you want, but this mango float that I'm going to make today, it's only 2 layer. So the same process, cream, graham crackers, then add milk if you want, or it's your choice. Then after milk, another mango again, then cream, then after cream, mango again. Just continue watching until the end of the process, so you get perfect mango dessert, no bake. So this is the second layer, guys. So like what I said, you can add milk after graham if you want, but already have cream. It's your option to make it moist. Next steps, I'm gonna add my mango of your dessert. So if you want to follow my recipe, just check the description below. I will listed all the ingredients that I'm going to use, especially the measurement. Spread all over. cracker again. Milk, mango.
Chicken.
I'm gonna add something, graham crush. I put a sprinkle around. Just put your graham crackers in a plastic or ziploc, then pound it. Then you got crushed graham to sprinkle on the top of your dessert. Here you go. So you have a creamy mango no bake dessert. So it's so delicious. Just put in the fridge for about couple of hours and it's ready to go. So after the layer, just put in the fridge for a couple of hours and it's good to go. No bake dessert, mango graham or mango float.